This is the Under Desk Elliptical exercise machine. Company sent me this product to check it out so I can make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, all packed up nice in styrofoam, and you can see that over here along with me using it. Inside the box you are going to get the machine itself, the pedals. They come separately, and they've given us a little Allen wrench and 2 screws to attach the pedals. Super easy to do. You're going to get about a 6-foot long 2-prong power cable. You are going to get a remote control, and you're going to need 2 AAA batteries for this. And of course, you're going to get the instructions. I have 2 of these, and they're not quite as big as they look in some of the pictures. The base on this measures about 16 inches by 12 inches. And with the pedals on it and the travel path, you're looking at about 18 inches by 15 inches. And the whole thing assembled weighs in at just about 8 pounds, 2 ounces. These things are a great low impact way to get your legs moving while you're seated, and it's light enough to move around from room to room. You can actually grab this right here and pick it up and carry it that way. If you do, watch, the pedals will flip over on you, but that's okay. It's marketed as an under desk machine, but obviously it's going to vary by person and by desk. For instance, I'm 6'2", and I use a farmhouse table as a desk. I can't get it 100% under the desk without my knees hitting the table, but I'm still able to pull it out and get into a position where I can face forward and use the machine while I'm working on the computer. It has an easy to read LCD display that tracks data for time, distance, and calories. There's a function button on here, and you can actually cycle through. You can see right here that we've got it set to run for 15 minutes. You can lower that with these arrow buttons if you want, and you can do that here too. And as you hit the function button and cycle through, a little light lights up. We can see the distance, we can see the speed that we're going, how many steps we've done, and calories eventually. And it's got 2 modes. It's got manual mode, which looks like this with the HA, where you can just run it manually. You can adjust the speed to whatever you want from 1 to 12. And when you're on the manual mode, you can actually change the directions. It'll stop and go the other direction. We've got a start stop on here if you just want to stop it. In auto mode, it's got 12 different auto settings, and basically what it does is it cycles through different speeds for a certain period of time, and it'll change directions, and typical of these things. Like I said before, they've given us a remote control that controls the same functions as the panel, so I don't have to bend over and make adjustments, which I like. And I also like the dual direction pedaling for different leg muscle groups, that kind of stuff. If you want to get back to regular mode, you just cycle through mode until you get the HA, and then you can go back to setting the speed that you want. I'm going to set it on 12 here, and as you can hear, it is very quiet. You can barely hear this thing at all. Also a power button to shut it off when you're done. So there you go, an under desk elliptical machine, exercise machine like this would be great for the home, the office, people of all ages. Great to use when you're watching TV, or if you're working at home under your desk. All kinds of stuff. Very nice.